are we doing?
I think we're getting ready for a show.
Oh.
Are we getting ready for a show?
Seems like you're a little close to me, though. I'm nervous.
That's what we're doing.
Darren. What?
Howdy.
Hey.
We're doing it.
All right, we got a lot of things going on at the shop. It's a bit of a mess right now, but
Yeah.
there's a reason for it.
This video's
We're
going to be a little
cleaning.
different. Yeah.
We're cleaning.
We're
so.
doing fall cleaning.
We're cleaning.
Show cleaning.
Yes, there
So
we go.
once a year we have a show, and if you guys are watching this video on the premiere right now, how come you're not here?
Yeah.
Saturday the 16th, which is when
This Saturday?
video premieres.
Yes.
Yeah,
So-
okay, so it'd be too late by then.
It's
when
too
you see
late,
it.
unless you're local, and then
Come on over.
We can't really plug the show on this one because
No.
it already be showtime by the time this
That's
is.
true.
That's true. We'll be like
You could be
halfway
watching
through.
this on the way to the show in your car.
There you go.
But not while you're driving.
Well,
only
if
your
you're the passenger, you
passengers.
could.
Exactly,
There you go.
exactly.
So
So
there you go.
yeah.
All right. So pretty much up till yesterday, we were working on cars, and today we covered them all because we're cleaning. So there really isn't any car work on. There's a few little things we had to touch up, some parts coming in, but we pretty much shut down to get ready for the show, cleaning, set up stuff. So we're going to walk you through and show you what that all is.
That
And it
sounds
starts
good.
with this pile
This
here. So
lovely
there's-
pile of
Well, we actually
scrap.
do have 3 cars. So we have 3 cars that are still getting worked on right now.
Really?
yeah.
Yeah, his, mine, and yours.
Yeah. So, you know, they've always said, I've owned several businesses through the years, and they always say you don't do at home what you do at work. And it's true. I owned a landscape company for years, and my yard looked the worst.
Yeah.
We restore VWs, and mine wasn't running until this morning, and both theirs were in the garage and hadn't been running in
6 months.
6 months, 8 months.
I've never
So-
driven mine. Still.
Yeah, she's never driven her. So there we are. We all have VWs, and yeah. And I have
cobbler's
another one
shoes.
that's perfectly fine and been already painted, and I just haven't had time to put it together. So there we are.
The
So,
cobbler's kids have no shoes. That's it. They
Exactly.
run around
So-
barefoot.
Or Arizona safety shoes.
Oh Lord.
And I'm not actually working today. I am working.
Yeah, we're doing a lot of
T-shirts
stuff.
and getting hay and that
Okay.
kind of
Well,
stuff.
don't
So,
spread yourself on stuff.
Enjoy yourself at the show, guys. If you're here, if you missed it, sorry.
Yeah, we'll
Next
try
year.
to shoot some video and maybe a live.
We'll
try it.
we'll do some video for the show. So if you guys really want to watch it, I think we'll do a Facebook.
Yeah.
and
Maybe we'll do the engine blow. That's
Huh?
always fun. Maybe we'll do the engine blow.
Oh, that'd be fun to do live.
Yeah, that's true. Plus, there's another video we're going to be doing in a little bit that will be after this video, or what's the video of the clean?
That'll be next week.
Oh, that'll be next week. Okay, so.
So next Sunday, you guys get to see the 2-bucket method to quickly don't scratch your paint while washing your car.
Oh, nice. Yeah, we're washing some cars today.
Yeah.
All right, so Darren, show me around. What's
All
up?
right, so look, well, Pan, you already did this. So we've
Yeah.
got a pile of scrap metal that's been there for 10 years or so. And
At
so
least.
we decided to go through it and have the welder decide what would be able to use and not. And there was junk in there like 40 old tie rods, which a tie rod costs $22. So I don't know why we had those. But anyway, so that's where we'll start. And we'll walk through here and try not to cut our legs off. It's
Yes.
extra dangerous
It's
today.
extra danger.
Usually dangerous.
Now
It's
with
actually
extra danger.
extra dangerous. So anyways, and we'll have all these cars cleaned and open for the show,
Yeah,
obviously. But
we're just not uncovering
we
them
got
now.
them covered right now because we got dust blowing everywhere and
Exactly.
everything.
We're
So
trying to not have to wash them
we're
3
cleaning
times.
areas that aren't usually clean.
Yeah.
And,
how
unfortunately,
weird.
this type of shop, our type of shop, a lot of us like to work wild, and some
Thrash
people don't do that.
mode.
Some people clean and mop their floor every day, and just we're not that type of shop.
Yeah.
But we get the work done, and things just we don't lose stuff, so that's good.
That's true. That's
But anyway, so you'll never
All right.
see this floor mopped, I don't think, except in here where they do the paint.
Right, where they
after
do the
this
paint,
one.
yeah.
So we're moving cars around. You can see it's wide open into the old new paint
Yeah.
booth area, and it's going to look a little different when the show. We're going to move some of the cars out so they're on display and stuff like that.
Fantastic.
So you see stuff going on. There we go. And we'll go out back here and we'll take a little walk through. So we come out back. We've already started moving cars around. Mr. Boldia's square back there. We've already kind of caution taped off the dangerous area over there where all the sharp
Extra
metal
danger.
and poison ivy and everything's out over there. We go over there a lot, but we don't want random people just running over there. And
Yeah.
Well, we were going to use like crime scene tape, but then I got talked out of it. And I don't know why.
so, Yeah, we'll walk this way, and most of the shows, this is going to be open, but most of the shows going to be out here. We'll have a couple cars back here, but most of it's going to be on out here. So we're in the boring section right now. But there's a lot of work. You'll see a bunch of stuff going on here in a minute. So here we go. We'll come around the corner. We're setting up tents. We got some tents set over here. This is going to be our swap meet area where we're going to have all our parts that are currently right there.
Yeah.
So those will all be over there under the tent.
That's what Mr.
Wow. Hello, way over
Mr.
there.
Gavin's doing that right now. He's excited about it. He got up early this morning and knew he was going to do this, so he's really excited.
Got your tetanus shot?
So we set up our tent here too, which is where we'll be running the operation from. This will be the operations center, if you will. So,
oh, good.
We'll have some show shirts. We're going to have both of our books will be for sale. We got some old shirts from previous that we're going to be letting go at clearance.
Decal.
Yeah, we got stickers. We got.
I think we're gonna have giveaways too going.
We do have some giveaways
lots of
going
giveaways.
So we're going to be doing the raffle, and one of the things is a Airkooled Kustoms longboard made specifically for the event. We've got O'Reilly's coming in doing food. Coca-Cola's coming in. What else we got coming in? There's a couple campers coming in for Friday.
Nice.
So one of them from what, Canada?
Yeah, one called me from Quebec, Canada. So
wow.
So if you want to come camp, it'd be too late because you already will be seeing this while it's show.
That's true. Never mind.
Anyways.
Ask us for next year.
Yeah.
And how about where are we doing the engine blow?
Engine blow will be right here.
All right. Great.
So we'll have it out here in a minute. So we'll have, so this, if you want to look out, this is where it's going to go down. Right now there's all kinds of cars that aren't supposed to be. There's the Coke buggies running again.
Oh, yay.
Coke buggies running. We will have a paint bug over there for the kids to paint.
Yes.
I'm going to paint it white here in a minute. So it can start over.
Oh, yeah. Oh, good. Okay. Yeah, because it's a little crowded now.
However many years y'all been doing it.
I think that's what.
5.
I think the kids just like it better if they can start.
Well, sure. That's
at
good.
Bugapalooza, they did it all black. Sorry, but they did chalk this year, so they did it painted all black so they could chalk on it.
That's kind of cool.
So.
Well, that'll be fun. My goodness.
It might be good to do chalk.
And somebody asked, well, then we have to paint it with chalkboard paint.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Somebody was asking, it's like, well, doesn't do any harm to the paint? And I said, actually, no, because you have a latex encapsulation of the rust.
There you go.
So it pretty much
saving the car, really. That car probably lasts forever. That metal won't rust ever.
Yeah, it's probably 3 inches thick at this point.
600 layers of paint on it. It's like a cruise ship where they just keep painting while they're cruising.
It's a nice little 64, it'd be good for restoration for somebody.
Sure, somebody's going to want that probably.
I do know there's a couple people that, of course, against it'd be too late by then, but there's a couple people that have called me that are going to have cars for sale or pictures of cars that they've got for sale, complete cars and stuff. So,
well, I definitely will have to film some stuff like live from the show then, because that's cool. We've got that going. Yeah. And we have no idea how many to expect, right?
No,
it could be 10 cars. It could be 100. We don't know. You just never know with these things.
We'll be happy with whatever. We'll be ready.
Well, we're glad to have everybody. It's a fun time for bring your family out and,
And the latest weather I saw, because I've been watching it, because we had to set up, the latest weather I saw is Friday, which was where it was supposed to rain, is only 20% now.
Oh, good.
And Saturday is down to 10. So,
nice.
And 70 degrees, huh?
You said 8.
Well, yeah, I just rounded up to 10, because really 8's like AccuWeather. They do this weird, they do it throughout the hours. So at 7 o'clock, it's 8.5%. And I don't know, whatever.
Oddly specific, right?
Yeah, so
we're even getting like Mabel up and going and
Mabel and
Puddles.
Wow.
Like the engine you can hear in the background is Puddles.
That's great.
So it's so we'll see what happens. I guess we're gonna have a bunch of stuff going on. It's gonna be fun either way.
Fantastic.
And even if we don't get a whole bunch of people, then we'll just stand just rock on it.
Oh yeah, we just
we'll
chill.
have the wall of sound going that direction.
There we go.
Yeah.
Poor neighbors. Are we inviting them?
They're always invited.
That's good.
Got for you for this week. That's it. We're just wide open, getting ready for the show.
Sounds
We
fun.
got now that everything's out of the way, there's your wall of buses if you want to paint.
Yeah, I'm loving that. We got
I have 2 more
Bustopia.
I could put there. They're in the front. So.
Right. Bustopia plus my farm truck.
Buses everywhere. So.
Nice. It's looking good.
And then there's one Chevy off the side of it.
Yeah. Because it's awesome.
All right.
All right, guys. Well, you know what to do. Bye, nice people.